How to fix CapCut templates not swinging problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this tutorial video, I will give you ideas on how you can solve CapCut templates not swinging problem. So, let's get right into the video. First thing you can do is long press the CapCut application and tap on App Info. Once you do that, you will be appeared on the App Info of CapCut. From here, you can see this Clear Data option at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. Again, click on Clear Cache option. Tap on OK, and this is the first solution you can use to fix the problem. Now, the other solution to solve this problem is to go to the Chrome browser on your device. Now, search for CapCut template and here tap on the first link you see. Here, you will find tons of CapCut templates you can use in your video. Now, the other trick to solve the problem is to go to the Play Store on your device and search for CapCut application. Make sure that you have updated your CapCut application. If there is an update option there, click on it. Once you update your CapCut application, the problem will probably be fixed. So, in this way, you can solve the problem of CapCut templates not swinging. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.